So are you also collecting the leads using Google Ads, Facebook lead ads, website forms or landing pages? But managing those leads quickly become very important. But many businesses still track leads manually in emails or spreadsheets, which makes it easy to miss the important follow-ups. What if every new lead could be automatically added to Privyr and instantly shared with your sales team? That's exactly what we're going to set up in this video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and today I'll show you how you can manage your leads in Privyr automatically using Pabbly Connect. So let's get started. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of leads for free in Privyr, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for the application using which we're collecting the lead details. So I'm just going to select it as Google Ads, select the event and click on this connect. Now we have received the webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. Make sure to add the lead form in this campaign. This is very important. So as you can see, I've added this lead form and I'm just going to collect the details like the name, email, phone number, city and the company name. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect in order to create a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. In order to connect this lead form, we just have to scroll and you're going to see the option of lead delivery. So open this. Or we're going to see the option of this webhook URL and the key. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. After that, you just have to enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent successfully, so let's just open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. Once we're going to capture the response, yes, you can see we have captured the company name, the city, the phone number, the email and the first name, last name. Now you have two options. Either you can click on this recapture webhook response and then yes and wait until you receive a real lead in real time. The second option which you have is you can create this automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for a real leads too. I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details like me. It is going to save you a lot of time. Now let's see how we can add the leads in Privyr. So to do this, you just have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, just search for Privyr and you have to select it. For the event, select it as create client and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Privyr and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and it is asking for the authentication token. So to get this token, just open your account. Okay, so now after opening this, go on this automations, then go on this view all lead sources. Now just scroll and you're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect. So click on this configure. Now you're going to see this authentication token. So just copy and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this, click on this save and your Privyr account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the name, lead source and the rest of the details. So one by one, we're going to enter the details, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, put a slash, search for the details like this and map it right over here. Once again, we're going to map the phone number. So put a slash, search for the phone number and map it. Now it is asking me for the lead source. So this will remain static. This is not going to change. So I am just going to keep it it as Google Ads, and I am just going to enter it manually like this. Now it is asking me for the key. So what is this key? So I've entered this name, email and phone, but let's say I also want to add the city. So I'm just going to switch on this keys button, delete whatever is written over here and type city. Now the field for city will appear, so I can just simply map the city, and let's say I am just going to map more details. Like I also want to map the company name, so I'm just going to put a comma, search for the company name, or you can say we're going to type the company name and the field will appear. Then we can map the company name to right over here. After mapping all the details, just click on this save and send test request, and we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new client in Privyr. So we just have to wait for a few seconds right over here, and as soon as we're going to receive the positive response, the client will be created in Privyr, or you can say automatically the details will be added in my Privyr account. Till then, let's just go back towards this client section, and you're going to see yes, a new client is added right over here. You're going to see first name, last name, phone number, email, city, company name, and the lead source, and the webhook source is Pabbly Connect. Yes, the details are added right over here. Not only this, but now whenever I am just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly a new client will be created in my Privyr account. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Further, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button once again. And if you want more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.